Is PIN not working and you cannot sign into Windows? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you find that your PIN does not work and you cannot sign into Windows, then this video is for you. It will also help you if you cannot change the PIN. It is quite possible that your PIN file may have been corrupted or that the PIN may not have been preserved after an upgrade. Now let's get started on how to fix the issue. Method: what to do when cannot change PIN in Windows. To rectify the situation, create a system restore point first and then log into your Windows computer using an alternative sign-in option. And then do this. Create a system restore point, then open File Explorer and then browse to this location: c:/windows/services profiles/local service/app data/local/Microsoft. Click on NGC folder to open it. You will be denied permission to access this folder. Next, click on the Continue button, then on the Security tab link to open the Properties box of this folder. You will now have to take full ownership of this folder. You can follow this guide for details. Ultimate Windows Tweaker will let you add the Take Ownership of files and folders easily to the Windows context menu. Once you're given access to the folder, open it, then press Ctrl+A to select everything and then delete its contents. This should repair your PIN by resetting things to default. Now open the Windows Settings app following this guide. Then go to Accounts, then select Sign In Options. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the PIN section. PIN. Click on Add a PIN or Change PIN as per the options you get. Enter your new PIN. Confirm and click on OK. Fill in other details if required. Follow as shown. Finally, restart your computer and see, you will be able to sign in with your new PIN. You can use this procedure when you encounter any problems with your PIN, even when you cannot change it or if it doesn't show up as a sign-in option on your login screen. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.